What a beautiful 37 Buick 4-door convertible. Oh gosh. Roadmaster, of course. Fully restored, shark's tooth, center bumper, front guard. What an absolute striking automobile. Oh, it's from the RB collection. Yeah, they do a good job. Not sure what that button in the back is for. One beautiful car. And what are they asking? $68,000. Okay. Striking 58. 1 year only. What I like about the 58, it was never appreciated until truly recently. Asking $79,500. This has the triple 2 barrels, fully restored. I don't feel like pulling it apart, but looks gorgeous. It does, just on a quick glance. She's gorgeous, just beautiful. You'll see from the profile. Nice looking car. And again, it's a 1 year only design, of course. Really neat. Full coil spring. Nice car. Of course, I gotta get this little Mercedes D. What, 58? 57, 180. Oh. The taxi cab. That's a mechanical fuel injection under the hood. Nice. I always like to turn signals. Hello. Hey, how you doing? This thing is cool. I like it. I like it.
It's a
now,
wonderful car.
He'll trade you this for the Flea.
No.
She has a little
I'll tell you what. Don't chip in. Ed, show me where the turn signals are.
They're right in here.
Very good. I'm impressed.
I just showed him 5 minutes ago.
Ah, that's why.
Check out the horn.
Oh, that's great. 4-speed?
Yeah, 4-speed.
Yeah, very good.
On the column.
Very good. And they shift like butter.
It's it's really smooth. I take
love
it
them.
you're familiar with Ponton Mercedes, 50s Mercedes.
I had a 58 220S.
I know. And she's a vlogger. She's taking video for her name's Pamela Hirschhorn.
Very
Nice to
good.
meet
I'm
you, Pamela.
impressed. Oh, you got it. Have fun. I'll see you guys in the show.
Okay, this is Pete Zimmerman, by the way.
Hi, Pete.
Hi,
Pleasure.
it's a pleasure.
And of course, Ed from one of the best places to go, Classic Auto Mall in Morgantown.
Yeah.
She plugs all the
Liquidate
time.
your classic car.
Okay.
That's it. That's it.
Well, I
Thanks, Dan.
think he's going to try and sell this one for me.
Honestly, I've been in the back rooms, and even though this is going on video, I'm still putting it out. I like what they do.
Yeah.
I like what they do a lot. So you'll enjoy dealing with these guys.
Okay. Well, thank you.
You got it.
Thanks, Dan.
Thank you. All right. Beautiful Packard. All right, I got the Chevelle too. Gee, it's an SS. Haven't seen one in at least 15 minutes. I'll be nice. One of the few Chevys here which is not an SS, a 32 Phaeton. 32s were just outstanding. Beautiful cars. Asking 17.5. Looks pretty original. That is neat. Look at that trunk. That is so cool. Chevy taillights. It's got 2 of them. Neat. You're going to start seeing cars like that also, which really blows me away. I'm going to shoot over there real quick before I get run over by cars, which you always do. What year Chrysler is this thing? It's sold. There you go. Remarkable. Absolutely remarkable. 5th Avenue. Sweet Buick. About 37. Oh, sold also. Well, it is Thursday afternoon, and if it's not sold by now, she's either heavily discounted or not going out.